Hello guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Today's Monday. Let me show you guys the date. Today's Monday, 20th October. I was just taking a trade on AUD USD sell setup. Let me go into the chart and show you guys the real setup, okay? So let me go into the chart and show you guys the real setup. The TP will be 244 cedis. 1:5 on this trade. And then the SL is 50 cedis. So let's see how I play out, guys. Right now I'm in a very small drawdown of 9 cedis. So barely less than 20%. So let's see how I play out, guys. Let's see how I play out. So guys, you guys know that this is my setup. This is how I trade. This is a 4-hour high, 4-hour low. You realize that it's in a direction of a daily. It's in the direction of a daily time frame. So you can see that the daily is trending lower and lower, and then the 4-hourly is also trending lower and lower. So price pulls into a 4-hourly order block, which is this zone right here. And so I'm waiting for price to trail. So I'll skip to a lower time frame, which is this. So when I go to a lower time frame, there's a 2-hour order block right there too. So what happened is that I'll take the entry. I saw this nice doji followed by this bearish engulfing, and I'm taking the trade. And so it's for 1:4.8. So that's it, guys. That's it. Currently I'm in a little bit of drawdown. This is 30 pesos. So let's see how I play out. If how the trade goes, I'll continue to update you guys for sure. Today is Monday. Whether it's a win or loss is cool. One thing is that if I'm able to close this Monday positive, it set a precedent for how I'm going to go into the next week. If this week turns out to be a negative week, it's also nothing wrong with it. I just have to ask myself, am I following my rules? As a trader, the question is, have you followed your rules? It's not about win and loss. It's about rules. Have you stuck to what you say you want to do? If the answer is no, that's when you are going. Even if you made money doing the wrong thing, that is what is bad. So once I know that I'm sticking to what exactly I've said I want to do, then I'm cool. I'll continue to update you guys for sure. Let's see how this should play out, guys. Okay, you guys can see now that after the drawdowns, we are now in some good amount of profit. Right, this is a setup, and this is something I'm very confident on. So you will definitely have to see how I play out for sure. But let's see. Very good profit margin for sure. Guys, I'm currently in a trade right now on AUD CHF. You can see right there. I'm currently in 12 cedis of drawdown. There's a position. So SL is 50 cedis. TP is around this range. TP is let me modify TP 0.516 625. TP. It's around 150 cedis. I'll put it to make it just 150 cedis. So 1:3. Guys, the trade is now in profit of 11 cedis. Great trade. Let me show you guys the chart, okay? Let me show you guys the chart. And let me show you guys how the entries sniper on the 1 minute. So guys, this is the position. You guys can see that the entries sniper on the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute time frame. Price entered. I took the entry looking for 1:2. It has to be 1:4, but with spread and everything, the position size has decreased on this other time frame. You guys can realize that this trade is currently running in a very good profits on both the chart and this, and I'm trying to TP right at this range. So let's see how I play out, guys. I'll continue to update you for sure. As you can see that right now we are 30 Ghana cedis in profit. Okay, price is somewhere in the middle of the range. When it gets to 1:1, I'll reduce my risk to half risk. Then if it's 1:1.5, then I'll reduce my risk to break even and let it run. But it's a great position and I'm proud of it. It's currently in a good profit. Let's say I play out, guys. Let's say I play out. I'm continue going to hold, and let's see how this trade goes. Guys, the trade has entered. He has went initially into 1:1, which is 50 cedis. So per my rule of thumb, I need to decrease the risk on the table. The risk on the table will now be equal to 25 cedis. Because one thing about trading is that capital preservation is the key. This trade can come back and take me out of break even, and I have to be cool, and I have to be cool with that. You realize that I need to be cool with that. I don't need to say that what's the name? You see, so it's now in 1:1. So I'll break even. So this is the break even. My phone is disturbing me, so but I'll break even at the background, and when it gets to 1:1.5, then I'll put it at half risk now. When it's at 1:1.5, then I'll continue to so you can realize that the trade is now at half risk. If it gets into 1:1.5, then I'll break even, then I'll let it run. So we are currently it's now in a very bit of drawdown, but I'll continue to hold, guys. I'll continue to hold. Let us see how I play out. If it retraces back and take me a break even at half risk, it's cool. I'm not worried at all about anything. Okay. Guys, you can see that it's still crashing like crazy, right? Price is just crashing and crashing and crashing. And right now, let's see. It's just still crashing and it's going to wherever I want to go, right? More than 1:1.5. And I would like to break even on this trade, right? So let's see. Let's do this. Break even. So I've broken even on this trade, but I need to let this trade run for a little bit, right? So if it came and took me out of break even, I'm still cool. I'm still very, very cool with it. So right now this trade is running risk free, and so it's even now at a low, which I know it to break. I'm not sure it's just going to reject off of this low. I'm going to break it a little bit to this place. And so let's say I play out, guys. Let's say I play out. Continue to hold. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Guys, you can see that we are right now 110. That's over 182 in profit. Crazy trade, crazy run. Like, this is arguably one of the fastest trades I've been in. It's heading straight for TP. Let's see how I play out, guys. Wow, 1:3. Let's go. I want to hold for a little bit, but it's like I'm not that kind of trader that I don't really push my narrative on a setup or an instrument. Where price want to go, price has to go. I'm not the type who is like, okay, price has to go here. No. If this is a level that I feel like maybe there will be resistance, I'll place my TP or SL there and then let it play. I'm not the type that's going to allow a trade to go into profit and reverse back on me again. No. So let's see how I play out, guys. Let's see how I play out. I'll continue to update you guys for sure. So, guys, I'm recording this trade. I'm recording this video, let me see, on Saturday 25th, right? So the market has closed everything. So the trade came and took me out at a break even. This was my TP also, right at this low. But do you know what happened? Spread made the price not to close, and then the price retraced. I think people can see the profit back to break even. This is a trade, and I wasn't even home, so I wasn't able to just manage my trade and then close it at 1:2 or whatever. But it is what it is. So this trade move from this place. You can realize that move out of this place and came and took me out of break even at this place. But it is what it is. So what is going to happen is that this is my P&L for the week. My P&L for the week, you can see. Let me show you last week. So I made one loss, one at break even, 2. So I'll come back next week and then come and continue. But it will be a great trading week next week. So let's see how it play out, guys. Let's see how it play out.